Millions of dates. Desert sun drying and high-speed packing process in Saudi Arabia Permi, a behind-the-scenes journey into one of the world's.
The journey begins in vast desert farms, where fully ripened dates are carefully harvested at peak maturity.
Initial sorting removes visibly damaged pieces, ensuring only high-grade dates move forward. To preserve freshness, harvested dates are transported quickly under controlled conditions. Every incoming batch is weighed and digitally recorded for full traceability.
Surface dust from the desert environment is removed without damaging the natural skin. Natural desert sunlight begins the dehydration process, concentrating flavor and sweetness.
Regular tray rotation ensures uniform drying across every single date.
Advanced sensors continuously monitor moisture levels to prevent overdrying.
This buffer zone stabilizes temperature before the dates enter indoor systems.
Once stabilized, the dates enter the high-precision indoor processing line. High-resolution cameras perform a second visual inspection, identifying surface imperfections in real time.
Laser scanners detect micro defects and internal density changes invisible to the human eye.
Any date failing strict quality thresholds is instantly removed to protect batch integrity. Humidity is carefully stabilized to preserve texture and prevent future moisture imbalance.
This process keeps natural sugars evenly distributed, preventing surface crystallization during storage.
Controlled pressure ensures uniform texture without damaging the fruit's structure.
Random sampling verifies that every batch meets predefined quality parameters. Automated alignment and counting guarantee consistent pack quantities.
Oxygen is replaced with protective gas, dramatically extending shelf life.
Each package is tested to confirm airtight integrity before moving forward. Random samples are tested for microbiological safety, ensuring all dates are fit for consumption.
Rotary airflow ensures uniform drying and prevents moisture pockets within the fruit.
A second humidity check locks in the perfect moisture balance before packaging.
This step verifies that natural sugars remain evenly distributed, preventing crystallization during storage.
A final dust removal step ensures dates are clean and hygienic for packaging.
Dates are aligned perfectly to guarantee consistent packing and presentation.
Automated filling ensures each pack contains the exact number of dates, maintaining quality standards. Modified atmosphere sealing preserves freshness, extending shelf life while locking in flavor.
A final quality scan confirms that every date meets strict appearance and integrity standards.
Automated labeling ensures accurate product information and full traceability on every pack.
Production dates and batch codes are printed for complete supply chain tracking.
Each label is verified to ensure accuracy and clear readability. Individual packs are grouped into cartons for efficient handling and transport.
Every carton is weighed to confirm correct quantity and consistency. Cartons are sealed to protect the dates during storage and shipment.
Carton-level identification enables efficient warehouse management. Robotic palletizing maximizes stability and space efficiency. Climate-controlled storage preserves freshness until dispatch.
Orders are staged and prepared for on-time global distribution. Pallets are aligned at the loading dock to ensure safe and efficient transfer.
Shipment documents are digitally verified to prevent dispatch errors. Process dates begin their journey from the desert to global market. A final visual check confirms pallet stability before departure.
Export compliance scans ensure all shipments meet international regulations.
Each shipment is assigned an optimized global delivery route.
Temperature-controlled loading protects quality during long-distance transport.
Security seals confirm shipment integrity from origin to destination.
Real-time tracking provides continuous shipment visibility. This marks the completion of a tightly controlled supply chain.
Shipments arrive at international hubs, ready for regional distribution. Wholesale partners receive and verify shipments through automated intake systems.
Inventory systems allocate stock based on demand and destination.
Regional transport distributes dates efficiently across local markets.
Retail supply deliveries ensure consistent availability on store shelves.
Proper storage at retail level preserves freshness until sale.
Dates are presented in consumer-ready packaging, maintaining quality and appeal.
The final product reaches consumers exactly as intended.
Market feedback continuously improves future production cycles.
Every step works together to deliver consistent quality at massive scale.
If you value precision-driven industrial processes, subscribe for more behind-the-scenes documentaries.